Alright guys, this my package finally arrived. This is my accumulator repair kit.
En die tweede deel van hulle spesiale verslag oor die sukses wat behaal kan word wanneer die begunstigdes van grond uit saalwerk wat Karendorp wil en Kameraman
let's open it up. And voila! There we go. That is the Kinergo DSG 7.02. The 0.02 is probably the version 2 for the DQ 200 unit. So this is the new updated version. I'll show you some more of this unit. Just give me a minute. And there we go. Kinergo 2.0 new version. And there you go. The unit. Yeah, so let's just loosen this thing up and see what's happening on the inside. So there we go.
We are deeply disappointed by the minister's announcement, and Ruby Safari Lounge epitomizes all the positives of Section 12J and the obvious benefits it can have.
So you got a seal that is in there, or not a seal, kind of circular thingy, and then you have a rubber in there. Let's get into focus. You got the rubber in there. It's a rubber. The thing is quite heavy. Now I didn't order the key for this. But I am very creative, so I will probably create something to lock that thing in place. And in this you have a rubber in there, and then this only goes in one way, so it will probably, when you stand in front of your gearbox, then this will probably go in like this way. It's only one way it will fit in. So you're looking at these three holes where your bolts go in, and then these two, and then this is where your oil moves through. The mechatronics oil moves through, and then that will be a bolt, that will be a bolt, that will be a bolt. My first time doing this, so guys, wish me luck, and I'll show you when I start, see you when I start with this. Thanks.